What's up, everybody? We'll get started here in just a minute. 6 Donruss Megas for you guys. We just finished up a 6 Prestige Mega Box break. Really good boxes that we just opened. We pulled a big Trey Lance Passport Auto out of one of those boxes, hoping we can pull something big like that tonight in Donruss. Haven't out of the Donruss boxes we've opened so far, the autos have been kind of lackluster, although we did pull a redemption for Jamar Chase the other night. That's probably the best pull we've had so far, was the redemption. It'd be nice if we could find something sweet in one of these boxes tonight, maybe more than one. We'll get one auto per box out of these. We'll get 7 pink optic preview rated rookie cards tonight out of each box. So should be a fun break. I got 933. All teams are paid. All teams are claimed and paid for. So appreciate you guys getting paid up on time. Hopefully I'll be able to reward you with some nice pulls. Let's get this thing going. 933. Feel free to jump in on chat. Let me know who's here and who you got. Good luck, everybody. Davis Mills looked good the other day. Get his rookie cards now while they're cheap. All right, here we go. Deebo Samuel, Olivier Vernon, Robert Woods, Foy Olakun, Jalen Ramsey. Got Josh Allen, road to the Super Bowl. And rated rookie Jalen Phillips for the Dolphins, pink optic. And behind that we got Jamin Davis, Washington. Fletcher Cox, Derwin James Jr., Tyrann Mathieu, Larry Fitzgerald, Keen Nwangwu, rookie revolution for the Vikings. Dominators Tom Brady, nice hit for the Bucks. Javion Hawkins, pink optic for the Falcons. And Kylan Hill, rated rookie for the Packers. Man, I tell you what, Jamar Chase the other night, not only did we pull the redemption, we pulled like 2 pink optics in that break. We pulled a rookie revolution. We pulled a bronze press proof. A base rated rookie. It was all Jamar Chase the other night. Kareem Hunt, Miles Sanders, Christian Kirk, got Tom Brady, Josh Allen variation. There's a Dez Fitzpatrick rookie portrait. That's the canvas portrait. Nice hit for the Titans. There we go. Zach Wilson, pink optic for the Jets. Nice hit for the Jets. And a Justin Fields rated rookie for the Bears. There we go. Nice pack. Andy Dalton, Darius Leonard, Alvin Kamara, Alejandro Villanueva, Tyrann Mathieu, bronze press proof, TJ Hawkinson Elite Series, Kelvin Joseph, pink optic for the Cowboys, and Frank Darby for the Falcons. Darius Slayton, Jesse Bates, Brett Favre, Adrian Amos. Got Tariq Cohen press proof for the Bears. Donruss 91, Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. Pink optic, Zaven Collins, the Cardinals. And Ian Book for the Saints. Devin Singletary, Jacoby Myers, Will Fuller, Tyreek Hill, bronze press proof Keen Nwangwu for the Vikings. The champ is here, Ndamukong Suh, rated rookie pink optic Amir Smith Marset, and Simi Fehoko. All right, last pack. Still looking for that auto. J.K. Dobbins, Joe Mixon, Myles Gaskin, Devontae Adams. Let's see what our auto is. It's a rated rookie, 274. Going to the Ravens, Tylan Wallace. There's the Devontae Adams. Tylan Wallace auto for the Ravens. Nice hit. The rookies, Trey Sermon for the Niners. Pink optic, Javon Holland for the Dolphins. And Christian Barmore for the Patriots. Looks like that Wallace has a little bit of a white edge there. See if I can get it to focus. A little bit of a nick there on the edge there. But other than that, really, really nice card. All right, good first box. Let's see here. Mega box number 2. Levante David, Kirk Cousins, Sam Darnold, Kenneth Murray. Aaron Donald, Press Proof. Travis Kelce, Donruss 91. Pink Optic, Peyton Turner for the Saints. And Christian Darrisaw for the Vikings. Larry Fitzgerald, T.Y. Hilton, Drew Brees, James Robinson, just spoiled the auto there, Jacob Harris. I think we pulled Jacob Harris in our last break too. Going to the Rams. Road to the Super Bowl, Josh Allen, Marquez Stevenson, Pink Optic, and Jarrett Patterson. Bobby Wagner, Josh Jacobs, Antonio Gibson, Saquon, Marquez Valdez-Scantling. There's Jamar Chase, the rookies. Nice hit for the Bengals. Travis Etienne for the Jags. Pink Optic. And Kellen Mond, rated rookie for the Vikings. Fred Warner, Von Miller, Brandon Cooks, Tom Brady variation. There's a Rondell Moore rookie revolution for the Cardinals. Joe Namath Legend Series. Pink Optic Racey McMath. And Chris Evans rated rookie. Jalen Hurts, A.J. Brown, Chad Johnson, Brett Favre, Randy Moss, Terrace Marshall Jr. Canvas Portrait for the Panthers, Tylan Wallace, Pink Optic, go with that auto that we pulled, and Tutu Atwell. Tariq Cohen, Xavier Howard, Tyreek Hill, Lamar Jackson, Odell Beckham Jr. Bronze Press Proof, Aaron Rodgers Donruss 91, Pink Optic Micah Parsons, and J.C. Horn rated rookie. Kenny Galladay, Patrick Peterson, Brian Burns, Minka Fitzpatrick, Mike Vrabel, bronze press proof. The champ is here, Chris Godwin. Pink optic, Jalen Darden for the Bucks. And Ramondre Stevenson, rated rookie for the Patriots. Box number 3, we got Von Miller. Looks like that one's cut pretty bad. Let's see how top heavy that one is. John Bostic, Philip Lindsay, Barry Sanders, Denzel Mims, Terrace Marshall Jr. Elite Series rookies, Pink optic, Rashawn Slater, and Elijah Vera Tucker. Jalen Hurts, Tariq Cohen, Darius Leonard, Daniel Sorensen. We got Vortex, Justin Herbert. Sweet hit for the Chargers. The champ is here. Ryan Suckup, Cornell Powell, Pink optic, and Jacob Harris, red rookie. Kenny Galladay, Mark Andrews, Bud Dupree, Romeo Okwara, Chase Young for the Kellen Mond portrait for the Vikings, Joe Tryon, Pink optic, and Tyson Campbell. Marshawn Lattimore, Jeff Okudah, Dak Prescott, Jalen Hurts, Alejandro Villanueva, bronze press proof, Trey Lance, the rookies. Nice hit for the Niners. Pink optic, Trey McKitty, and Landon Dickerson. Patrick Peterson, Gronk, Mark Brunell, Drew Brees. There's a Gronk bronze press proof. Jonathan Taylor, Donruss 91. There he is again, Jamar Chase, Pink optic. I think I've pulled, in my last 3 mega breaks, I think we've pulled like 5 of these. It's crazy. Super popular. Jamar Chase and Jalen Waddle. Nice back-to-back wide receivers. Kenyon Drake, Tyler Lockett, Mike Gesicki, Teddy B, bronze press proof Kenneth Gainwell. It's a nice one for the Eagles. Terry Bradshaw, Legend Series for the Steelers. Pink Optic Sam Ellinger and Daz Newsome. Last pack, Mega Box number 3. Aaron Donald, Buda Baker, James Robinson. Saquon is covering our next auto. SM7, it's a Charger. Sean Merriman. There's the Saquon. Sean Merriman signature marks for the Chargers. Haven't seen that name in a while. Kenny Moore highlights. Pink Optic Peyton Turner. And Josh Palmer. All right, box number 4, Adam Thielen. Keenan Allen. J.J. Watt. Aaron Rodgers. DK Metcalf. Michael Carter, the rookies for the Jets. Pink Optic Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah. And there's Devontae Smith, Eagles. Jamal Adams, Max Crosby, Jalen Smith, Julio Jones, got out of this world DK Metcalf. It's a sweet card for Keith and the Seahawks. The champ is here, Scotty Miller. Got Pink Optic Dez Fitzpatrick. And Amon-Ra St. Brown, rated rookie. Russell Wilson, Melvin Gordon, Calvin Ridley, Austin Eckler, Deontay Johnson. There we go. Another nice Zach Wilson for the Jets. We got the portrait, the canvas portrait. Pink optic Christian Darrisaw, rookie Greg Newsome. Curtis Samuel, Peyton Manning, Joe Burrow, James Conner, Clyde Edwards-Helaire bronze press proof, Justin Jefferson Donruss 91, pink optic Jarrett Patterson, and Seth Williams. Joe Montana, John Elway, Baker Mayfield, Marcus May, Tremaine Edmonds, bronze press proof. There's an Elite Series rookies, Rondell Moore, pink optic Kellen Mond, and Kyle Trask, rated rookie. Nice one for the Bucks. Saquon, Josh Allen, Taylor Heineke, Deshaun Watson, Trevon Moehrig, bronze press proof for the Raiders, Dominators Aaron Jones, Chris Evans, pink optic, and Shi Smith. Last pack, Mega Box number 4, Mike Vrabel, Adrian Peterson, Barry Sanders, Denzel Mims, oh my gosh, we got him. Davis Mills auto for the Texans. Bad karma. Got him. Nice hit. Chase Claypool highlights. Pink optic Tutu Atwell. And how about a Davis Mills base rated rookie to go with it? All right, 2 boxes to go here. Box number 5, Debo, Olivier Vernon, Christian McCaffrey, Marcus May. Got Elijah Vera Tucker, bronze press proof. Interesting that we got a card behind. Usually that card's in front of it. I don't know if that matters. Elijah Vera Tucker, bronze press proof. We got Patrick Surtain, pink optic for the Broncos. Dominators, Christian McCaffrey. And Noah Gray, rated rookie for the Chiefs. Fletcher Cox, Jalen Ramsey, Matt Ryan. Ooh, looks like did we get a redemption? We did. We got a redemption. All right, let's put that. We'll put that in the back. There's Barry Sanders. Flip that to the back. Chuba Hubbard, nice hit for the Panthers. Pink optic. Power Formulas, James Robinson. And rated rookie Kenneth Gainwell. He's going to be our cover for our redemption. What do we got? What do we got? Donruss. Rated rookie autograph bronze. 256. Kellen Mond for the Vikings. Kellen Mond auto for the Vikings. Nice hit, Vikings. I'm actually a little surprised he's a redemption in here because we pulled a Kellen Mond auto out of Prestige. Surprised he couldn't get his auto for Donruss. Kareem Hunt, Justin Herbert, John Bostic, Denzel Mims, Darius Leonard. You got Greg Rousseau, pink optic for the Bills. You got, looks like red hot rookies. That is Elijah Moore for the Jets. And Nick Bolton for the Chiefs. Miles Sanders, Andy Dalton, Daniel Sorensen, Chase Young, Rookie Revolution, Terrace Marshall Jr., Tommy Tremble, pink optic, Retro Series, Brett Favre, and Pat Freiermuth, rated rookie. Darius Slayton, Devin Singletary, Philip Lindsay, Bud Dupree, Dak Prescott, Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah, pink optic. We got Gridiron Kings, Devontae Smith, and Kwity Paye. Romeo Okwara, Marshawn Lattimore, Jalen Hurts, Mark Brunell, Bronze Press Proof Josh Allen, Pink Optic Dez Fitzpatrick, Action All Pros Myles Garrett, and Larry Roundtree. Yeah, I was a big fan of these last year when they came out. Got as many as I could, and I knew that as soon as they came out this year, I'd try to get as many as I could too. Jacoby Myers, J.K. Dobbins, Drew Brees, James Robinson, Anthony Ferksker, Bronze Press Proof, Christian Darrisaw, Pink Optic, Nick Bosa, Donruss 91, and there's Trey Lance, rated rookie for the Niners. Only thing I wish is that they wouldn't put everything in the same order, because it seems like you get a lot of duplicates when that happens. Alright, last mega box. Yeah, I haven't seen any Trevor Lawrence or Mac Jones in this break. We got Lance, we got Fields, we got Wilson, we got Mills, we got Trask. Mac Jones has just like super eluded us, and out of these megas so far, I've pulled one Trevor Lawrence. Actually, I think I've pulled one or two. I think I pulled one Trevor Lawrence Pink Optic. But I've yet to pull any Mac Jones. Have not found him yet. All right, last box, everybody. Dalvin Cook, Quandre Diggs, Matt Stafford, Baker Mayfield, Bronze Press Proof Patrick Surtain, Action All Pros Stephon Diggs, Pink Optic Javonte Williams, and another Davis Mills for the Texans. Derek Carr, DeAndre Hopkins, Mo Alley Cox, Marcus May. Here's our last auto. What do we got? Panthers, Thomas Davis Sr. There's that Marcus May. Thomas Davis Sr. auto. Signature marks for the Panthers. A cool one for the Panthers. George Kittle Power Formulas. There's that Rashawn Slater Pink Optic. And Patrick Surtain. Richard Sherman, Logan Thomas, Zach Cunningham, Barry Sanders, Denzel Mims, We got red hot rookies Kyle Trask for the Bucks. Pink optic Cornell Powell and Chuba Hubbard. Yeah, so again, we're getting a lot of the same pink optics because Panini puts everything in the same order. Really wish they would mix it up. Bradley Chubb, Nick Bosa, Darius Leonard, Daniel Sorensen. Got Liftoff, Devontae Adams. Cool card. John Lynch, inducted. Joe Tryon, pink optic. And Greg Rousseau. Dave Montgomery, Daniel Jones, Derrick Henry, TJ Hawkinson, Emmanuel Agba, Adrian Peterson, Gridiron Kings, Trey McKitty, pink optic, and Tommy Tremble. Trey Hendrickson, Tua, Chase Young, Dak Prescott, bronze press proof Jimmy G, Alvin Kamara, Donruss 91, another Jamar Chase pink optic. I think that's makes 6 in our last 3 breaks. We've pulled 2 in like all 3 of those breaks. It's crazy. And then Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah. Emmanuel Sanders, Julian Edelman, Jalen Hurts, Mark Brunell, Deshaun Watson, bronze press proof, Nico Collins, Elite Series rookies for the Texans, Sam Ehlinger, pink optic, and Des Fitzpatrick. All right. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to throw in an extra hanger here. We didn't see any Trevor Lawrence or Mac Jones, so let's give ourselves one more chance. See if we might be able to pull him out of a hanger. I'm doing 5 Donruss blasters and 5 hangers tomorrow, but I got a couple extra hangers here, so let's open one. See if maybe we get lucky. Trying to pull those guys. Mac Jones has been such a tough pull. I don't know what it is. I've had decent luck with Trevor Lawrence. Obviously not tonight, but yeah, Mac Jones has just been tough. All right, one more shot. Let's do it. Let's see what we can get out of a hanger. We'll see a lot of base here. I'm going to cut this in half. All right, Kenny Galladay, Mark Andrews, Patrick Peterson, Gronk, Kenyon Drake, Tyler Lockett, Tim Patrick, Brandon Ayuk, Nick Chubb, Charles Woodson, Khalil Mack, DeForest Buckner, Chase Young, Randall Cobb, Anthony Firkser, Danny Amendola, Malcolm Jenkins, Joe Burrow, Devontae Parker, Derek Brown, Matt Stafford, OBJ, TJ Watt, Devontae Adams, Minka Fitzpatrick, Lamar Jackson, Tyreek Hill, Randy Moss, Brett Favre, Tom Brady, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, and Saquon. All right, now to the good stuff. Our rated rookies, we got Dez Fitzpatrick, Christian Darrisaw, Jarrett Patterson, and Kellen Mond. Red press proofs, we got Dalvin Cook, Trey Hendrickson, Von Miller, and rated rookie Pete Werner for the Saints. There's a nice Patty Mahomes for the Chiefs, Gridiron Kings. Tre'Davious White, Elite Series rookies, Kyle Pitts, nice one for the Falcons. Power Formulas, Jalen Hurts. Inducted, Drew Pearson. Road to the Super Bowl, Gronk. The champ is here, Ryan Suckup. Dominators, A.J. Brown. Action All Pros, David Bakhtiari. And Chase Young. A couple decent hits there. Nothing crazy. I got one more. We'll throw one more hanger in there for you guys. You guys paid good money tonight. We can go snag one more. All right, bonus box number 2. One more hanger. See if we get lucky. All right, Jordan Poyer, Dev McCourty, Justin Tucker, Randy Moss, Sean Alexander, Drew Lock, Jimmy G, Odell Beckham Jr., Travis Fulgham, Allen Robinson, Joey Bosa, AJ Green, Jonathan Taylor, Ryan Kerrigan, Jared Goff, Jameis Winston, T. Higgins, Dan Marino, Jeremy Chin, Robert Woods, Foy Olakun, Joe Namath, Von Miller, Juju, Khalil Mack, Patty Mahomes, Justin Jefferson, CeeDee Lamb, TJ Watt, Emmitt Smith, and Joe Montana. And the good stuff, rated rookies, we got Elijah Moore, Penny Sewell, Keen Nwangwu, and Noah Gray. Oh, it looks like we got an auto. Patriots, Matthew Slater, special teams specialist. Oop, caught that one. Matthew Slater. Not a Mac Jones, but we were able to pull you a nice auto. Matthew Slater. Bradley Chubb. Red press proof. Larry Fitzgerald. Justin Jefferson. The rich get richer. Zach Wilson, red press proof. We got pink optic. We got the... What else did we pull, Zach Wilson? Pulled a few Zach Wilsons tonight. Oh, we pulled the portrait. And now we got the red press proof. So, yeah, Jets, rich get richer. Lawrence Taylor, Gridiron Kings. Power Formulas, Josh Jacobs. Elite Series Jalen Hurts. Elite Series Rookies Ian Book. Tyler Johnson, the champ, is here. Tyreek Hill highlights. Retro Series Ray Lewis. Dominators Justin Tucker. Action All Pros Cordero Patterson. And Rondell Moore, the rookies. So, nothing crazy coming out of the hangers, but the red press proof Zach Wilson was nice. I don't know if the Jets needed any more help, but, you know, that's how it goes sometimes. Sometimes somebody really loads up in a break and others not as much. But did get a nice auto for the Patriots out of that one, so that's nice. That was good. Get the last of these top loaded, and then we'll do a recap. Alright. I got a tall stack of top loaded cards here. Go through those. We got that Matthew Slater signature marks, Zach Wilson red press proof, Ian Book Elite Series rookies, Rondell Moore the rookies, Patty Mahomes Gridiron Kings, Kyle Pitts Elite Series rookies, Jamar Chase pink optic, Kyle Trask red hot rookies, Thomas Davis Sr. signature marks, Patrick Surtain bronze press proof, Javonte Williams pink optic, Trey Lance base, Josh Allen bronze press proof, Devontae Smith Gridiron Kings, Rookie Revolution Terrace Marshall Jr., Red Hot Rookies Elijah Moore, Chuba Hubbard pink optic, Kellen Mond Redemption Auto, Patrick Surtain pink optic, Tylan Wallace Auto, Davis Mills base rookie, had two of those tonight, Trevon Moehrig bronze press proof, Rondell Moore Elite Series rookies, Kellen Mond pink optic, Kyle Trask rated rookie, Zach Wilson portrait, DK Metcalf out of this world, the rookies Michael Carter, Devontae Smith, Sean Merriman signature marks, Jamar Chase the rookies, Kenneth Gainwell press proof, Kellen Mond portrait, Justin Herbert Vortex, Terrace Marshall Jr. Elite Series, Micah Parsons pink optic, Terrace Marshall Jr. portrait, Tylan Wallace pink, Rondell Moore Rookie Revolution. I think we hit all the Rondell Moore inserts. Travis Etienne pink optic, so no Trevor tonight, but we did get Travis. Jacob Harris auto, Keenan Nwangwu press proof, Trey Sermon the rookies, Dez Fitzpatrick portrait, Keenan Nwangwu Rookie Revolution. Also had Trey Lance the rookies, Tom Brady Dominators, Justin Fields base rated rookie, Jamar Chase another pink optic, Jalen Waddle rated rookie, Davis Mills auto for the Texans, and Zach Wilson pink optic. I think the Jets won the break there tonight. Alright guys, I will get all this stuff packed up tonight and hopefully get it all out tomorrow. And again, we're doing Donruss again tomorrow night. 5 blasters, 5 hangers. Hopefully we have some better luck with Mac Jones and Trevor Lawrence. Yeah, and then Thursday we're doing 6 Prestige Mega Boxes and 6 Donruss Mega Boxes. So lots more football to come this week. Thank you guys for joining tonight. I will get all this stuff again. I'll try and get all this stuff out tomorrow, and look forward to hopefully seeing you guys tomorrow night. Thanks, guys.